So I just want to give a shout out to Devon, the Black Airbender on Instagram. I've been part of his member group and actually doing private coaching sessions, breathwork sessions with him for the last 3-4 weeks. And it is amazing how fast things change through the breath. And yeah, at the beginning I had a lot of resistance, like even doing 5 minutes was like I would have to push myself, but I knew it was going to be good for me. But now, yeah, like after 3-4 weeks, basically I'm really like enjoying it, and I'm doing it way more often. I'm doing like 30-minute sessions and just like taking the time to do it and being way more aware of my breath throughout the whole day. And the amazing thing is, first of all, heaps of synchronicities are happening, like really heightened. I always see a lot of like numbers, and the numerology that I'm seeing is insane at the moment, which is always a really good sign. And also then my appetite has dramatically decreased. Like I'm not even trying, and I'm literally like at 12 o'clock at lunchtime I'm like, oh, I haven't even like drank anything, because I'm like, it's yeah, it's amazing. Like the dry fasting, I do dry fasting until 11 a.m. and then just liquids during out the day. And like today I had like half a smoothie at like 5 p.m. and I was like, I'm full. I actually don't need more. I don't even think I even needed that one. And I'm still kind of getting used to it, and I'm definitely experiencing detox symptoms, like from that I can see externally, but internally, like I actually feel like the way that I look externally is not even actually showing how amazing I'm feeling inside. Like I'm feeling so much more vibrant and like creative. Also, like my creativity has really increased. And yeah, like sleeping, I don't need as much sleep anymore. What else? Just heaps of stuff, and it's only been like 3-4 weeks, so I am, yeah, one day I'll make a testimonial after like 2 or 3 months and then see where I'm at that point. But for now, I'm super grateful, and I totally recommend him to anyone.